MDB down 24% roughly. This is Monday, the 2nd of March 2026. Post market session 4.7 million shares have crossed the tape. 50-day average is around 1.6 million shares. So it's an effective low float. Yes. You can see the 50-day average is around 1.6 million. Okay, let's see what's going on with the stock. Okay, let's see. Despite beating Q4 earnings per share and revenue estimates, the stock, as you can see, is down over 20% in this post market session due to lighter than expected forward guidance, reflecting a broader software sector trend. Traders are intensely speculating on continued downward pressure, with many eyeing the 220 to $250 range as the next key support or potential re-entry point for the stock. Options market is buzzing with extreme premiums and high implied volatility, anticipating that yes, they were anticipating that maybe we might even see further weakness. Okay, with a clear dominance of aggressive put buying. The post ends sell off, which we are looking at right now, is largely attributed by many to intense competitive pressures from AI technologies and a general negative sentiment weighing heavily on software stocks. Okay, let's see what's going on with the stock right now. In the regular session of yesterday, it lost. Yes, yeah, regular session of today regular session of today, it lost 1.05%. So lower prices are indeed expected to continue to print going all the way towards the 10th of March. It's currently at 2.247 already. It has printed the lows we are talking about. And yes, it had a pivotal projection. This was initiated when the stock was at when the stock was what? Let's see. When the stock was trading at 355 as of the 18th of February, the algos began to initiated this downward projection. It was a downward projection then, and yes, it has come to pass. You actually got a support from it, but this time around it couldn't hold anymore, and it's not reiterating it anymore. Yeah, but it has one here. It has a projection here, 259.95. Okay, in the midst of all of this, okay, there's also another one here. There's one here. It's reiterating. No, it's not reiterating it. It's not. But even at that, still being referred to. 210.7 downward projection, 229.66 downward projection, 260.26 upper projection. Yeah, this is 260 here. Okay, it's looking terminal for MDB. Let's have a look at the daily chart. On the daily chart, yes, the Argos got it right. It's saying that it was going to be down today and all the way towards Monday night. After that, it might attempt to bounce, and they might attempt to defy the 40-day moving average that is expected to continue to decline to prevent any bounce. But yes, it wouldn't sustain the if it does surpass it, it won't be able to sustain it. So all in all, is saying that if it bounces, it's going to be a consolidation going all the way towards the 13th of April. On this daily chart, projections are saying not okay. Well, upper projections, yeah, we have some. Beginning from the least, we have 214.23, 239.57, then 280.60. Yeah, let's see what we have on its market grid. Okay, let's see. Yeah, let's have a look at the market grid. So the price pressure momentum indicator. So the stock is actually consolidating. As a matter of fact, it is actually consolidating before now. It was consolidating. Even it's still consolidating, you can see we don't have in the medium term. You have the right order: 10, 21, 40. So it's in the medium term, it's declining. It's declining, showing a lot of weakness. It's contracting, showing weakness a lot within a medium term trend and also within a longer term bullish trend. Yes, but it's not trending. It's not trending because it doesn't have. It's not sloping up. And even if it were sloping up, we don't have. Yeah, it's not sloping up. It's it's declining. Yeah, but it's a consolidation because the 10 period moving average is supposed to be leading the decline, but it's not. For now. But when the market opens tomorrow, the thought it will be leading the decline, but the 40-day will still be lagging. So it's still going to be a consolidation regardless. But it doesn't matter. That's just technical. It's declining, and that's a problem. That's a problem. So let's see what we have in terms of the momentums, whether they are aligned. This is the 10-day moving average. Let's apply the 21-day moving average. To some extent, yeah, I think to some extent we have some alignment. Not completely, yeah, not really, not that much, not that much. But yes, to some extent, yes. Okay, I'm sure we're not going to have a unison on these from these moving averages. Yeah, let's have a look at the 40 and the 200-day moving averages. Let's see. Okay, you can see they're all diverging. The 200-day moving average is expected to begin to decline, and then the 40-day moving average is expected to continue to pick up strength. Okay, so we have a divergence. So we can't rely on this. A lot can happen. A lot can happen. Yeah, volatility is expected. Yeah, it's so dicey, and it's so dicey on the stock. So we don't have any alignment. So it could be anything. It could be anything. But we really don't have. What we can just say is that the extrapolations we are looking at may not. It's a dicey one. It can be reliable, but it's the probability of it veering off and diverging is there. That's the likelihood of things changing a lot is there. So we can still take some of the extrapolations may well print, but it's so dicey. It's so yeah, so dicey. Yes, that's what it's indicating there, especially when you have consultations going on. Let's see whether we have the same alignment on the weekly chart. Here, weakness is expected up till Tuesday, the 10th of March. Okay, let's see whether that's declining. Let's see whether we have that on the weekly chart. No, we don't have any extrapolations. Okay, we don't. So here we have projections. We have 382.09 and 354.45. It's ambitious here on the weekly chart. The line trend is neutral to bearish. Yeah. Okay, so see what you make of MDB, and thank you very much for watching this video.